Okay, so let's check out another example of synthetic division. So again, this is your divisor. We're going to actually solve that for the opposite there. So we set it equal to 0, so x is 4. Again, if you can mental math that, that's totally fine. So 4 is going to go out front. You're going to draw an upside down division box. And remember, you want 2 rows. So make sure you make enough room for 2 rows. Now, one of the next thing is putting in our coefficients. So I can see I have a 2x cubed, I have a negative 7 on the x squared, but I'm missing the x term. Like, I don't have any x terms. And then I have the constant. So remember, even in long division, if you're missing a term, you have to put in a 0. So we're going to put in our coefficients of 2, negative 7, don't forget the 0, and then negative 4. We start by drawing an arrow, so you remember to drop down the very first term. Now to get the next number in the box, we multiply. 4 times 2 is 8, but then you add. 4 times 1 is 4, and we add. 4 times 4 is 16, and then we add. I always box off the very last one because that's my remainder. These guys here are the coefficients of the quotient, but you will write 1 power less. The reason we are doing that is because we've divided it by an x. So it won't be x to the third anymore because you've divided an x out. So 2x now squared, and then I will have the 1x, and then I will have the 4. So these guys here give me those coefficients. My remainder, I put it over my divisor. So there's the quotient, or the answer, to that division problem using synthetic division. Okay, so why don't you take a minute and try this one in your notebook,